Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Brussels sprouts on the grill. To start, trim the bottoms of your Brussels sprouts, carefully removing any loose or yellowed outer leaves for the best texture. Next, place them in a large bowl and toss with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Make sure every sprout is thoroughly coated, as this crucial step ensures even cooking and delicious caramelization on the grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal searing. Place your seasoned sprouts in a grill basket or thread them onto skewers. This clever trick prevents them from slipping through the grates. Grill for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning them every few minutes until they achieve a tender, crisp texture with lovely charred edges. This method ensures maximum flavor and delightful crunch. Once your Brussels sprouts are perfectly grilled, you can easily enhance their flavor even further. A fresh squeeze of lemon juice immediately after they come off the grill adds a vibrant, tangy lift. For a touch of sophistication, consider drizzling them with a rich balsamic glaze, offering a delightful sweet and savory contrast. Or, for a creamy, salty finish, sprinkle with a few spoonfuls of grated Parmesan cheese while they are still warm. Present your delicious grilled Brussels sprouts while they are still warm to savor their delightful tender, crisp texture. They make an excellent, versatile side dish, perfectly complementing a wide array of main courses like succulent grilled chicken, flaky baked fish, or a juicy steak. Enjoy these flavorful vegetables, knowing that cleanup is also straightforward, requiring just a quick wash of your grill basket. This simple preparation makes them a weeknight favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.